You know that feeling when you see a Rolex GMT and immediately think to yourself, yeah, that's clean, but ain't no way I'm spending car money on a freaking watch. Well, today we might have found an alternative that gives off that same luxury GMT vibe without the luxury price tag. Hey, what's up, guys? Mikey here from Mikey Daily Carry, and today we're doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Custom GMT Gold sent over by Skyrim Wrist. Now, full disclosure, I am an affiliate for Skyrim Wrist, but these are my honest thoughts and opinion. As always, I will have an affiliate link and discount code down in the description below. Could save you a couple bucks at checkout. So let's open this up. Ooh, wow. Okay, right off the bat, look at this. Look at the packaging. This thing is primo. I love it when the boxing itself already gives you that premium vibe. 100%. Let me turn this up. So it immediately gives you that premium vibe. You see Skyrim Wrist there. You got those great waves. Okay. So, wow. Presentation, guys. All right, so you open it up. You get this card here, and let me see. You have your warranty card, 1 year standard warranty, thank you card. All right, and then over here you have, your tool. All this for just this tool. And then, is there anything else on that side? Nope. And then over on this side, you have your watch. A+ for packaging, I gotta say that. So this is the case that the watch comes in. You guys are going to see it here first. Oh, okay. Right out the box. Look at this thing. Come on. This case is top notch. So let me take all of the plastic off, by the way. Okay, so right out of the box, this thing has a ton of wrist presence. Now, if you're a watch enthusiast, yes, you're immediately going to recognize the inspiration here. This definitely leans into the Rolex GMT, I want to say zombie with a gold Jubilee bracelet. That aesthetic that it comes with gold tones, GMC styling, rotating bezel. The difference is this is designed to give you that luxury-inspired look without the luxury price tag. So huge shout out to Skyrim Wrist for sending this over. Like I said, I am an affiliate for them, so if you guys want to check one of these out yourself and get a little discount, I'll have that affiliate link and discount code down in the description below. But guys, the gold immediately catches light really well. And overall, the proportions honestly looks super solid for a GMT style piece in this category. For the watch people in the comments, here are some of the actual specs. So NH34 automatic movement. You got a rotating GMT bezel. This is a 40 millimeter case style with a Jubilee bracelet, and then the Sapphire glass with a 904L stainless steel construction. And you got that clear case back right there. You got an adjustable GMT hand styling, and honestly, for the price point, this finish is surprisingly clean. The bezel action feels really decent, as you can hear it right there. And then I'm going to have to size this up, but I can already tell that it's going to have that comfortable sizing right out the box. You also have a way to adjust the bracelet here without having to take any links off. And you really get that luxury feel of feeling like you got a $15,000 watch on your wrist. So let me go in and take off my timepiece. This right here is the black tip standard by Monterey Watches. I am also an affiliate for them. I'll have a link for this in the description down below. See if I can just throw this on, see how it fits right off the bat. So definitely got to take off some links on this thing, but look at that thing. That is eye-catchy, I'll tell you. So one thing I thought was cool while looking into Skyrim Wrist's background is that they focus heavily on creating luxury-inspired custom watches that are assembled in the US using reliable Japanese automatic movements like the NH34 and NH35. And honestly, That's part of why brands like this have become so popular lately, because a lot of people love the design language of watches like the Rolex GMTs, Submariners, Datejust, and vintage sports watches. But realistically, most people either don't want to spend that luxury tax on a watch or can't justify it, or simply want something they can actually wear every single day without worrying about every single scratch, nick. I think Skyrim Wrist fills that lane pretty well. Now, from an EDC perspective and from an EDC standpoint, I actually think watches like this make a ton of sense. A watch is one of the few pieces of everyday carry that people instantly notice. And for me personally, I like watches that look elevated, work with casual or dressier fits, feels and is functional, and can realistically be worn daily without feeling like I need a security guard every time I throw it on my wrist. This feels like one of those watches you can wear to the office, out to dinner, while traveling at events, or even just as part of your daily carry rotation, while still getting that luxury GMT aesthetic on your wrist. Another thing I want to mention is that Skyrim offers a 1-year warranty on their watches, which honestly adds some peace of mind when stepping into affordable automatic watches. According to their site and the card that it comes with, if there's an issue covered under warranty, they'll repair the watch and usually send it back within 7 business days after receiving it. And I think that matters because one of the first things people wonder with affordable watches is, okay, but what happens if something goes wrong? So it's good seeing that they actually back their products instead of just shipping watches out and disappearing afterwards like stuff on AliExpress or Temu. Overall, I feel like this is honestly super solid. I'm excited to spend some time with this watch and see how it actually holds up during everyday wear, especially as part of my normal EDC rotation. But let me know down in the comments below, would you rock a luxury inspired GMT like this, or are you strictly saving up for the real thing? Appreciate you guys for watching, and again, if you want to check this out for yourself, I have links and a discount code down below. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Wakapay.